you have, in such a relatively short amount of time, I think brought something new to our construction space that was sorely needed. What did you see back then that other people didn't?
I don't really know if I saw all that much different. When I was in construction, so I worked for 5 different contractors as I was in college. That was the advice given to me, was go try out a bunch of different contractors and just learn what you like. Do you like vertical? Do you like horizontal? Do you like big companies, small companies, working at a state, working in the field, working in the office? What do you like? And so I got to try a bunch of stuff. And when I graduated, I started talking about some of that and sharing some pictures on the internet, on Instagram, because I wanted to build my personal brand to make myself more employable future state. I heard that was a big deal coming up on a podcast, and I thought, all right, I'm going to go build my brand and give myself hopefully more career options in the future. I wanted to be one day a contractor, so I wanted to work my 20s in construction, and then finance a skid steer, finance a backhoe, and have at it just moving dirt for a living. And when I was out there after graduation, that's when the storytelling thing started to take off a little bit. I started to get a following because, I guess, if nothing else, what I saw was this world that is the dirt world. That's infrastructure, moving dirt, building roads, bridges, airports, that kind of thing. I saw it as really cool, but I didn't see it from a high quality storytelling standpoint. I didn't see, there wasn't a lot about the industry on the internet. And you could go look at cars and there'd be all these crazy photos and videos and information. And it was so cool and dynamic. And then you'd go to construction that is dynamic in the reality of it, but didn't really exist online. I thought I could at least play a role in making it more known. And then I get picked up by a software company a few months into my construction career. It was a gig too good to turn down. But then 4 months after that, I just say, hey, this storytelling thing, there's some merit to it. There's this workforce challenge that everybody's talking about. I've experienced it a little bit. I still don't totally understand it, but I think I can go apply high quality storytelling to help attract people to this industry. That was it. So I didn't have this big plan, vision, business plan, whatever it was. I just didn't want to be in the job I was at anymore. And so I quit, and then I had to make something of that now. Yeah. So I put myself in a position where I had to figure it out. And as a result, you end up figuring it out.